Ten migao mar jotije piny owacho pacho ka yango ni sirikal osemanyo thuolo mag tije maromo 500,000 e pinje maoko. Mutua ojiwo rowere mondo owek winjo weche mafuong'ore ewi tije makamago, koyango ni chenro mag ndikruoge ne tije makamago dhi nyime. Mutua bende oyango ni achudhe ema osebedo ka ketho nying sirikal ewi tije makamago.
We are embarking on various areas of providing employment to our people. One, we anticipate that we are going to create over 500,000 jobs overseas, and we continue to put in place measures to ensure safe and orderly and regular migration and mobility. We have started dismantling cartels who had controlled this space for years, and we will continue to do so despite their theatrics. Your Excellency, there are a few challenges impeding progress of the programs. For example, we have cartels and rogue agencies that are taking advantage of vulnerable Kenyans. We have fake news on low labor mobility pathways being used to either mislead our youth or try to discourage them, and we are dealing with them. Your Excellency, workers are not slaves. They are workers and must be treated with respect. Recognition of their human dignity is a right and must be safeguarded at all times. Workers must be paid rightful legal wages, including overtime, and treated fairly without discrimination, and they should also enjoy decent work conditions. Workers in turn also need to be obedient, faithful, and dedicated to their employers, because it is a relationship.
Nyaka